All right, our focus question. So Haley, again, counted the number of pets that all of her friends have. We're going to use this dot plot, this graph, to determine the mean. Yes, the mean is a little bit mean to us. First, let's take a review. The mode was the number we saw the most of, which was 1 and 2. The range was that biggest number minus the smallest number, which was 5 minus 0, which was 5. And the median was the number in the middle, which in this case was 2. Now we're going to take a look at the mean. So the mean is the average. So we are going to add them all up and then we're going to divide them by the total number there are. So let's put them in order from least to greatest up here, like usual. First, let's read our graphs. We have that 0, again that 1 and then another 1. That dot represents a 2, that dot represents a 2, a 3, and a 5. Let's put them in order. We have a 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. When we add them together, so we're going to add them together and then divide by the total number there are. So we're going to add, then divide. All right, so 0 plus 1 is 1, plus another 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 5 is going to be 14. So now when we added them together, we got 14. We're going to divide it by the total number that there are. So there's 1. Oh, man. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that 0 is part of our data, so there's 7. So we're going to divide it by the 7 total that there are. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So our mean is 2. And that is going to be it for our focus question. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Great job.